Hey, what's up, my friend? Welcome back to the Lead Vortex Quick Start. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a simple opt-in page up and running for your newsletter funnel. Now, if you've got other pages that you want to get up and running, you're more than welcome to do that. But this video is going to show you the bare minimum that you need to do to get up and start collecting leads into your Lead Vortex account. And the simplest way to do that, if you don't have a product, you don't have a lead magnet, there's nothing created, the easiest thing is to just offer people a free newsletter where you can write them an email once a week. Now, when you get logged into your Lead Vortex account, we're going to go down here onto the left side and hit Sites. And what we're going to do is we're going to start customizing the newsletter funnel. Now, you'll notice in your account, you've got a couple of other funnels here. If you want to go through the Fourth Wall Secrets Challenge, you can go through that there. We're just going to work on the newsletter for this quick start. We're going to open this up, and there's two pages that have been created for you. They're super, super simple. To get into the editor, you'll notice here we've already got our domain hooked up from the last lesson. To get into the editor, all you have to do is just click the video of the page, and that's going to dump you here into the editor of Lead Vortex. Now, to work the editor, you're going to have some basic functions over here on the top left corner here, and then a lot of the adjustments and things that you're going to make are going to be in this right side panel here. To get this page up and working and the way that you like it, the free niche newsletter, basically what you'll do is you'll take your niche here and you can go, let's say we're in the fitness niche, free fitness newsletter or free daily fitness newsletter, weekly. You can adjust this little headline the way that you want. And all you have to do, again, just kind of click into it until you see the cursor, and you can just kind of adjust the words the way that you want. And then for this big headline, all you hear, again, same, click in till you see the cursor. And just write a simple 3 or 4 word headline related to your niche, something that's going to grab attention. Read this, get fit, something like that. And if you want, you can even bold it, and it'll actually make it a different color when we get further in the video. Read this, get fit. We'll just make that a simple headline that's 3 to 5 words. And then down here, you'll say get the free. This is going to fill in your business name. I'm going to get to this later in the video. Anytime you see these little brackets, don't worry about it. That's going to fill in your information. Get the free newsletter, get the free business name newsletter, and again, I left this in parentheses here, fill in whatever it is that you're going to give them in this newsletter. Get fitness tips, new workouts, and more. Again, one sentence, something that's going to let them know what they're going to expect on the newsletter. Give them a reason to opt in. Then underneath here, this form is already pre-populated here for you. And there's an image here that's standard phone size. Basically, it's an Instagram story over on Canva. You can change this if you want. But right now, you don't have to do anything. This is live. You can go do it here. Coming to the bottom of the page here, you'll see down here, you'll see more brackets where it's the right now year, business name. Don't touch any of this. This is going to pull from later in the video. And then same thing with all of these are the privacy policy, the affiliate disclosure. You do not have to touch any of this. All you have to do on this particular page is to enter your niche, a little headline, and then one sentence about what they're going to get on the newsletter. After that, we're going to come up here and hit the blue button, save, up in the top right. After you've saved the video, we're going to come up here in the middle. This is actually where you can flip between the two pages in the funnel. Click up there. You'll see it open here on the left. Come here into the confirmation page. It's going to take a moment to load the confirmation page. And then it'll come up over here. You'll see registration confirmed. You're in. If you want to change the headline, you can. You can just click it and then write whatever it is that you want. But what this is doing now is this is giving your person steps to go and retrieve the email that they just opted in for. So you're going to tell them, go to your inbox, and look at the welcome email, look for an email from us. Your name will populate here. It'll come from your email. Will again populate here. No need to change the brackets. And it'll welcome you to the newsletter. And it also tells people to check spam and promotions. We're also telling the person to read the email. That's going to say welcome. And then on the bottom here where it says check this out, if you are an affiliate marketer, you have a top affiliate product that you want to promote, what you can do into here is actually link your affiliate product, name the product here. If you click on the button itself, this is a button. Click on the button itself, you'll notice the right side menu here changes. And come down this way. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, where it says text affiliate link goes here, you can go affiliate product name. If I can type, you can go over to here, affiliate product name, join now. If you want to make that little second text call to action on the button, that's the subtext. And then down here, you can put in your affiliate link that'll link that button over to your affiliate product. And a lot of people who opt into the newsletter will also click this button as well, and you've also collected a lead along the way. Same thing down here on the footer. There's no need to change any of this. We'll get to that later in the video. But also, the image here, if you want to change the image, you can. You don't have to. This is the same Instagram story aspect ratio. So if you want to change that, you can. When we're done here on the thank you page, we hit save. And right there, we are done customizing the funnel pages themselves. Now let's go and take care of the brackets. In order to do that, we're going to back out of our funnel builder, back out of the funnel builder, and now we're going to go into settings. What this is going to do from settings, we're going to go into custom values. On the left side, you'll notice there's going to be a lot of blanks here. So what you're going to do is you're going to fill in this kind of like Mad Libs. If you want to see all of them, I think there's 35 of them. Come down here on the right and hit 100 per page. Now, some of these things are going to be very, very easy and you're going to know them off the top of your head. Work through those first. For instance, your business info, your address. You can go into here. You're going to click that little pencil there on the right. Go to here, 25 South Main Street, number 133. That's my business's address. 19067. And hit update. What that's going to do is that's going to put it over here on the side. Now, anytime that business address, like in a footer, it's going to pull that information everywhere on all of your sites. Business name, same thing. You can know Earshot info for this purposes of this account. You can put your business name in there, hit update, and that's going to pull your business name everywhere throughout your website so that it's there. Things coming down here, main promo product link. If you have a main affiliate product or a main digital product that you're promoting, put the link in here. Copy your link, put it right over here, and what that's going to do is that's going to send a lot of the traffic to your main promo link. It works best, again, if it's an affiliate link. But that's in there. You're basically just copy the link. We'll go https://. We'll just use Google there as a stand-in. Update that. Marketing email from name. This is going to be your name, which you want to appear at the top of your emails. Your marketing email address and your support email address. Now, we're going to make these live later in the next video. But what I want you to do is put your marketing one, put your name at your domain. In this case, it's going to be earshot.info. Actually, let's go here. Let's make this one here, dom@earshot.info. Update that. And then the support email, we're just going to put support at your domain. So support, we're going to go earshot.info. And we're going to work through this list kind of as you're playing Mad Libs. And again, some of this you can just do off the top of your head. Phone number is not linked anywhere. If you want people to call you, you can use that there. You can leave it blank. It's fine. Coming down into here, if you're an Amazon influencer, you have an Amazon storefront, put your Amazon storefront link there. Put your Facebook group, your Facebook profile, all of your social handles, everything here that says social links, copy the link, paste it there. There's icons and stuff in the footer. That's all going to come to life once you put this here. Now, coming down here, your name. You know what your name is. Let's come into here. We're going to update that. I know that one there off the top of my head. Coming down here, all of these website links. This is where it might get a little bit tricky, but that's why this video exists. What we're going to do, we're going to open up a new tab of Lead Vortex. Once you open up the new tab, we're going to go over here on the left side, go to Sites, and then up top here, you're going to go into the Websites tab. You'll notice that there's already a personal brand website attached here. We're going to click there. You're going to go into here. You're going to see the settings. Click over there. Inside the settings, you'll see over here where it says domain. We're going to select the domain that's already live. This is not going to mess up anything with the newsletter funnel, I promise. Then we're going to hit save. What that just did was that made all of these web pages on this personal website live. What we're going to do now, if we go back to the other tab, you'll see where it says homepage. We're just going to go and basically put our domain here, airshot.info. Okay, update that. Now, for the rest of these other website links, for instance, like we're going to use privacy policy. It's going to be the same formula for all of these. And you'll notice terms of service, support portal, privacy policy, they all coincide with the names of the pages here. So what's going to happen is we're going to go into, let's say, privacy policy. You're going to hit these three dots, hit settings, and you'll see here how it says path is privacy. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy that path. And I've made them pretty easy to guess. So if you go into here for affiliate disclosure, it's disclosure, contact us, contact. Again, it's fairly straightforward. But what we're going to do is we're going to copy the privacy policy, come back over here to the other tab, and then come into here and you're going to enter your domain. And now right here, it helps if you actually select this and copy it and you go type in privacy. We're going to update that. Now what this is doing is that privacy policy link that's in the footer earlier in the video, that's now going to link over to your privacy policy, which is already done once you fill in your business info here. So what we're going to do, we're going to come down here for contact us. Come over to here, paste that in there. Contact. Go through there. Newsletter opt-in. This is going to be newsletter. I can spell newsletter. Update that. Support portal is support. I think it's support. If we come over to here, we go to support page. We hit settings. Yes, it is support. Support portal, copy that. Support. Well, that's updating. I think terms of service is terms, but let's double check. Terms, it's going to be the same on yours. Let's come over to here. We hit terms. And then affiliate disclosure is disclosure. Now, once you're finished with the website links, these are probably going to take you the longest because, again, you have to get that second website live and grab all of the URLs to put them in here. The last things that you would want to do here, the last type of values that we need to do are pictures and colors for your brand. Now, your picture, use either your Facebook profile picture or a headshot, something like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a link to the picture here. Right here where it says the value. Now, to do that, what we have to do is we have to upload a couple of pictures to our media library so we can go and grab the links. So have your logo handy, have your headshot handy when you do this. To do that, again, we're going to go to that second tab that we opened up, that we had the website on. But instead, we're going to now go into settings. We're going to go into media, and you're going to see open the media library. Open that up. And you're going to see almost looks like a Google Drive here. What we're going to do is we're going to upload a file. If you want, you can create folders and put stuff in folders. For the purposes of this video, we're going to upload the file direct. Now we're going to go into, I think it is, we're going to go find my headshot here. There we go. Upload my headshot there. And we're also going to upload the light background and dark backgrounds versions of our of a logo. We're going to go in and we're going to find the dark background right there for Lead Vortex logo. And then we're going to upload a light background. Where is it? Right there. So now we've got a dark background, a light background version of the logo. If you only have one, it's fine. You can use it for both. And then we've got my headshot. Once these here are loaded, we'll come into here and you'll see you've got light background, dark background, and your picture. To get the link to put in here, right-click on the image. You'll see where it says Get Link. Copies it right to the clipboard. That's our picture. We're going to come over to here, and we're going to go and paste it in. Update. Give it a second. And it's going to go right through there. Same thing with the two logos. We're going to go light background, update there. Go grab the dark background. And then we're going to go over to here. Update that. Now we've got links for all of those images. If we go over here and we refresh, this is now I have another tab open here. This is the live page that we went to. If you notice, what that's going to do is that's going to pull the logo now onto the page. And if you want to have a third tab open and do this in real time, you can. You'll see here that you now have the logo up here. You've got the earshot info. You got the business is over here. And then on the bottom here, all of the privacy policies and the affiliate disclosure. We're going to open these over here in new tabs. You'll notice that these have pulled the logos on them. This is all starting to come to life. And also in the privacy policy, we've already done it for you. There's nothing for you to do here, but we have your info. We've got all of your support, all your emails. Everything in here is done. There's nothing for you to do here. So once we've gotten through there, we've got our pictures. We've got more of our info. We're going through. Social links are pretty self-explanatory. Your brand colors. So most people, everything's going to default to white. But if you have a color, you need to have the hex code for your color. Canva can give you those. Or if you want to download a ColorZilla has a Chrome extension. It's free. Download it. And what it'll do is if you have a design, you can just little mouse over it. We'll grab this blue here for a second. What that did was that copied the hex code. We're going to take this main over here. We're going to paste that in. Wait for that. And now what this is going to do is this is going to put all of the main color accents on our other gray and white site. It's going to make it blue. So watch. If we go into here, watch this get fit. I'm going to refresh the page, and now everything here has become blue because now we just made the brand color blue. And this is going to happen for a lot of the other site as well in some of the headers. Maybe not the privacy policy, but there's other pages where it has brand colors that will change based on that value. But that's how you do that. Grab your hex code, put your little hashtag and 6 numbers in there. It's going to change all stuff on the website to your color. If you have an accent number 2, put your second accent there, 1 and then 2. When this page is done, this is the longest part of probably getting the website live. But once you're through this list of values, you will have a site that's live. And in the next video, I am going to show you how to write your welcome email and how to automate it. See you in the next video.